Hi everyone, my name is Mike Brown and welcome to my course Designing and Installing Windows Server 2019 Active Directory Domain Services. I've worked in the IT industry for over 25 years and currently I'm a senior instructor at 5 Training in the UK. Active Directory Domain Services is one of the most popular directory services in use today, both on-premise and in the cloud. This course is a detailed look at designing and deploying Active Directory domain services, and although no experience of Active Directory is required before viewing this course, knowledge of installing Windows Server 2019 is advisable. Some of the major topics that we will cover include choosing a domain, tree and forest model, deploying Active Directory domain services, verifying that your deployment is successful, and designing the physical placement of your domain controllers. By the end of this course, you'll have gained detailed knowledge of designing and deploying Active Directory domain services. From here, continue your learning by diving into Windows Server 2019 with courses on managing and maintaining Windows Server 2019 Active Directory domain services and installing Windows Server 2019. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Active Directory on Windows Server 2019 with the Designing and Installing Windows Server 2019 Active Directory Domain Services course at Pluralsight.